The SBUCA has been previously introduced in Congress in previous sessions, and we expect it will be introduced soon again. In Oregon, we are fortunate to have some outstanding representatives who have signed on to this bill. So our Representative Blumenauer, Bonamici, and our own Representative Peter DeFazio have all signed on as original co-sponsors. So our next speaker is Vanessa Cornwall from Representative DeFazio's office, and she will give some information from Peter DeFazio. Thank you.
Hello, thank you for having me. I am Vanessa Cornwall. I handle healthcare-related casework for Congressman DeFazio here in Eugene, right out of the district office. The congressman regrets that he couldn't be here today, but he did provide me a statement to read. And as Charlie mentioned, the SBUCA bill was supposed to be brought to the floor today. However, we did receive word that it should be brought to the floor June 8th. So, crossing my fingers that that date holds. So, from the congressman, thank you for inviting me today to join this rally in support of the state-based Universal Health Care Act, which will be reintroduced by the U.S. House of Representatives in the coming weeks. I'm unfortunately unable to attend, but I want to thank you for your continued advocacy for achieving affordable, accessible, high-quality health care for all Oregonians and Americans. I am once again proud to be an original co-sponsor of the SBUCA, which would allow states the option to provide universal health coverage for their residents. I believe the federal government should not prevent states like Oregon from providing affordable and accessible health care for all people. As you know, for far too long, we have allowed health insurance and pharmaceutical companies to dictate the U.S. healthcare system. The U.S. healthcare system and price gouge seniors and everyday Americans. As a result, Americans pay more for their healthcare and prescription drugs than any other country in the world, yet we have worse health outcomes compared to similar industrialized countries. Millions of Americans remain uninsured and underinsured. Many seniors ration their medications because they can't afford them. Families are routinely forced to choose between paying for treatment or paying their bills. We cannot continue to allow this to happen in the richest country in the world. We need to explore all available options to create a healthcare system that puts people over profit, including passing SBUCA. If you can be sure, I will continue to fight and provide affordable, accessible, and high-quality healthcare for all Oregonians and Americans, and to put the people's needs over corporate greed. Thank you.
Thank you, Vanessa. So I would also like to point out that our Representative Peter DeFazio not only is an original co-sponsor of SBUCA, but he is also an original co-sponsor of the Medicare for All Act of 2021, as he was a previous Medicare for All Act. And he is also a member of the Medicare for All caucus. So we really would like to thank Representative DeFazio for helping us get the sort of healthcare system that we deserve. Thank you very much.